I've been struggling with magnets, but now I've got the hang of it, I can teach you. I have my puppet's arms rigged with the left wrist draggable. Although I'm right-handed, I still use my left hand for many things. I used to be left-handed, but my parents said, "You will be right-handed." Of course, to Africans, the left hand is your dirty hand. It's the hand you use to wipe yourself after a number 2. Anyway, I digress. First, I'm going to my puppet and add the magnet behavior to it. Then I'm going to the item I want to hold, in my case the flower. I'll make it a magnet, dynamic and collide. Next, I'm going to make the palm a magnet. Then I'll make a swap set with the other hand so that I can pick it up and drop it at will. I found that making all the things I wanted to pick up magnets at the same time caused a few problems, like spinning butter, so I did them one at a time. Now for some baking, I chose the simplest recipe I could find. Shortbread. Just 3 ingredients, but at the right ratio and baked to perfection, it's delish. 150 grams of plain flour, 100 grams of butter, I use room temperature, and 50 grams of caster sugar. Get your fingers in there and give it a good mix. You'll have to squeeze it to make it a dough. Then turn it out onto a clean surface and roll it to about 1 centimetre thick. Cut the dough into any shape you like. I like circles. Place them on a lined baking tray and chill them for about 15 minutes before putting them in the oven to bake for 15 minutes at 180. I've created another hand holding a biscuit and added it to my swap set. Then I have a trigger for O and another one for my chewing cycle. Now I can open my mouth, put the biscuit in and chew. That's fantastic. Yum. I really enjoyed making this video. I need a little more practice in moving my hands and picking things up to make the movement a little bit smoother. I'm really impressed with Adobe Premiere Pro's zoom action. So, I think I could do with a change of clothes, some hair, and it's about time I learnt to move my head from side to side. After that, I'll dip into After Effects to take my animations to the next level. I've got a lot of work to do. I'll see you soon. Peace. Out.